know y'all seen this place before, but a little different. No wheels and tires today. You see the beauty over there? But we got a Pro Charger coming for this beautiful thing. So we're gonna be getting down and dirty. Well, they are. I'm just gonna be recording everything. Showing all the little details of this beautiful Stingray. Ooh, what is that? I know y'all hear that. But this is a 6.2 1T 1LT, I believe. It's gonna be coming with the Pro Charger. Owner right here. Say what's up, Automotive Pros. Daniel got his car cammed. Ah, shit. You did it hella quick, dude.
There.
Got the track hawk over there. Uh-oh, he's turning it on. Must be nice.
Rev, you know? Yeah.
Jeez, that was a freaking pop. I got the track hawk right there. Y'all know who this is. SOT Lifestyle. Got some new things on. Muscle cars, y'all. Automotive Pros. Thanks for letting me come out, y'all. Putting a supercharger is pushing about, I believe, how much he's pushing? Like 460, right? 465 stock. The Stingrays. 465 stock, and it should push what, 7, 8 with the Pro Charger? 7.
Yeah.
Sheesh, maybe 8 with a proper tune. I'm telling you guys, man, I show you guys a lot, but hit them up, y'all. FC Tires right there, you know what it is, and Automotive Pros right there. Hit them up for all your, your maintenance needs and also, performance stuff. They're getting into it right now. A lot of them are into the performance way. So as you can see, we're doing a Pro Charger on the Vet, and then there's a track hawk here. There's a 6.1 or 6.2, I believe, or 6.1. SRT8 Challenger that just got done getting cam on long tubes. So come over here and get your shit. I'll be here. Let them know MJ sent you for this muscle. Uh-oh, what we got in the box? You see it, y'all. It's getting up. It's getting ready. Taking off all the undercarriage, right? Yep. Stay tuned, man. There's about 8 bolts right here, just to take off the, undercarriage right there, the oil pan. You ever seen under a Vet? Look how clean that is, y'all. My Challenger don't have that. No. Baby cats. That's why they're so loud stock. Here it goes, y'all. This is what Pro Charger provides. All the piping, brackets to mount the supercharger. You guys see that there's wheels. It looks like a turbo, but it's not a turbo. It's a centrifugal supercharger, where it runs off a belt instead of like a supercharger where it mounted on the intake manifold. it's air cooled down, right? Compared to the antifreeze and shit like that.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
That means boost. Look at that beauty, y'all. Sheesh. God dang it. All right, y'all. So basic off, clear everything. Make sure all the instructions say take off the coil covers, hoods off, intakes off, get down and dirty. We'll be installing everything soon. It should be like an hour or two install, so let's get it going. You know how vets are, y'all. So fucking tight. But yeah, stay tuned. Gotta take off the fans, the radiator.
Why are they gonna have us do the radiator first?
Just in case if I miss anything and you guys do get a Pro Charger, just know that insurance is super freaking clear. So instructions are super freaking clear. All right, you guys, so we had to throw some spacers on the K-member, which is right there, and both sides. So you have to loosen up the K-member, don't take it off. Now we're gonna be changing a lot of the pulley and clearing up more space that we gotta add on intercooler. A lot of things happening. A little surprise too, y'all. Look who slammed their car. Meggers. She lowered her car. It looks fucking dope. Congrats to her. It's about an inch. Yeah, just a finger gap. Perfect amount. Don't be like MJ. Slam the fuck out of your car. And you see Chris. Or they're in love, listen to some love music. Give me a beat. Oh man, okay, all right. Alright, y'all, what's going on? Damn. You see, y'all remember this car? Boy came out. This thing's fucking a beast. Let me show you the front. Maybe y'all remember from the front. Man, this is a fucking hood, man.
Dude, he was drunk.
All right, you guys, so the intercooler is now in. That thing is perfect fitment, man. Pro Charger thing, their thing right there. But more basic. I'll just do the piping right there. All right, you guys, we're almost done. You see the Pro Charger in already? Now we're about to just do the basic bolts to hold the bumper in, and then we're gonna be doing the piping again. So it's gonna be looking like a turbo. But stay tuned. Almost freaking done. And then he has a dyno tune on the 24th. I'm gonna try to make it because I have class that day. All right, so what we're doing now, we're gonna have to clock the Pro Charger, move it over a little bit, just slightly loosen it. Doesn't let you know in the instructions, It does not say that. So the guys that are planning to Pro Charger or C7, clock your turbo. What charger? All right, you guys. So after you fix the pulley, well, put the pulley on and loosen up the housing on the Pro Charger. Go ahead and adjust how you like and take out the spacers that I just put, which they're doing right now. And that's gonna be on the K member. It's gonna be right there. There she is. Basically, that's it. And then after that, put in your tubing. Should be good. So just stay tuned. We're gonna be putting everything together.
I mean, the fuck out of the way, sorry.
It's gonna be loud. That's some nice lights.
Is this one yours, David?
It wasn't mad.
Oh, no.
That grill's fucking nice. Oh, she's gonna be loud.
Flames or no?
Yeah, flames.
I love flames.
About that time, you guys. About that time. Just making sure everything's all buckled up. Making sure all the PCV valves are hooked up. This shit had a lot of PCV valves. Hoses in a way. A lot. But just gonna clean everything up, tighten everything up, and should be able to turn over. Gotta prime the Pro Charger. Should be good. All right, you guys. So the guy just needs to tune, and we should be good. But the Pro Charger's right there, y'all. Got some dirty work. I didn't do as much, but I do my little 2 cents in, so shit got done. But shit sounds amazing. Y'all hear this shit?
Outside in the all black drop, 10 rolled up when I'm out. Say they all wanna live, but I just wanna die. Motherfucker, if you looking for me, find me in the net. I got nothing, wanna fight, I wanna take your fucking life and end it right on sight. When I strike, if